Welcome to Housekeeping Master. Today, we are taking a close look at a kitchen gadget that promises to change the way you think about your daily rice bowl. We are reviewing the Cook with Color Glass Mini Low-Carb Rice Cooker. If you have been trying to manage your carbohydrate intake without sacrificing the texture of your grains, this might be the compact powerhouse you have been searching for. Let us start with the core technology. Unlike a standard rice cooker that simply boils water until it evaporates, this device uses a smart two-step process specifically designed to reduce starch. It boils the rice for 15 minutes to release that excess starch into the water, and then it transitions to a 15-minute steam cycle. The result is rice that is genuinely fluffier and lower in carbs. What really caught my attention is the auto-lifting stainless steel basket. There is no manual draining or dangerous tipping of hot pots required. The machine handles the separation of the grain from the starchy water automatically. It is a seamless experience that feels quite sophisticated for a countertop appliance of this size. Now, let us talk about build quality. This cooker is constructed with borosilicate glass, which is not just durable and heat-resistant but also incredibly aesthetic. Being able to see your food as it cooks is a huge plus, especially when you are using the secondary features. Speaking of versatility, this unit is not just for rice. It functions as an adjustable hotpot with power settings ranging from 100 to 700 watts. You can adjust the temperature in roughly 15-degree increments, which makes it perfect for soups, stews, or even braising vegetables. Moving on to the pros, the biggest advantage here is the health factor. Reducing starch without needing a giant, complicated industrial steamer is a massive win for home cooks. The interface is intuitive, and the addition of a delay timer and keep warm function makes it very convenient for busy schedules. It is also compact, making it a great space saver for studio apartments or dorm rooms. However, we need to discuss the limitations. This is a mini cooker. It is strictly designed to handle up to 2 cups of uncooked rice. If you try to overstuff it, you will likely run into issues with overflow or uneven cooking. This is not meant for large family gatherings or meal prepping for a full week, but it is excellent for small households or individual portions. Additionally, because of the glass construction, you do need to be slightly more careful with handling it compared to a standard plastic or aluminum unit, although the quality of the materials feels quite premium. In conclusion, the Cook with Color Glass Mini Low-Carb Rice Cooker is a specialized, well-engineered tool. It excels at its primary goal of starch reduction while offering a surprising amount of utility with its hotpot and steaming modes. If you are a health-conscious cook with a smaller kitchen who wants better control over their grains, this is a fantastic investment. It looks great, it works exactly as advertised, and it takes the guesswork out of healthy cooking. Link in the description.